Hey everyone, PincheAls here, and we're back. And on today's episode, we're going to do an unboxing with new product from KERMADI. So, let's get to work because this is PincheAls Garage. Alright, so we're going to get to unboxing right now. And on this one is a special one because we're refreshing the Outlander with a high mileage kit from KERMADI. So we're going to unbox this bad boy and see all the goodies we got because we're going to show you guys how to do this whole entire kit. Alright, Jiminy Wilson. Okay. Talk about good packing. So we got the tensioner with the actual little shock built into it. We got the pulley. And owner's manual for the tensioner. We got the intake manifold gasket. This guy's heavy. Jeez. Accessory belt, timing belt, coolant, hardware, more hardware, cam seal, oh, the rollers. Brand new rollers for the timing belt. Super important. Pulleys. Water pump with the metal impeller. Right here. I'm not going to take that out. It's already a pain in the butt. Okay, that's one box. Next box over here. This is going to be my favorite box. Because, again, I'm doing a full high mileage refresh. So, what that consists of is a very, very, very important part. And it's all this paper. No, it's actually this guy right here. Come on. There we go. And that's a camshaft. Brand new cami shaft right here. Now, TDIs, since they have a very high profile lobe on them, you have to replace this cam, or you can grind down the factory one to get the profile that you got to get back onto it. But the price of a replacement cam, especially a factory style cam, is so affordable through KERMADI. I don't see a reason why you shouldn't get one. Look at that, factory fresh camshaft for your 2, 4, 6, 8 valve ALH TDI. Okay, super important to do this once you hit 150 to 200,000 miles. We're at 300,000 miles, so we need this even more so because we're loud. The valves on these things are loud as all heck. So we got new lifters to make up for that too. Again, because the cams are so aggressive on these things, new lifters are literally going to bring new life to this car, especially to this engine. So, brand new lifters from KERMADI. This whole entire kit was just a little over $700. And we're going to walk you through it, how to install everything that's here that we remove, so that you guys can properly time your TDI, install a cam, install lifters, your water pump, your accessories, your intake manifold, everything that matters, and you get another 100 to 200,000 miles out of this car with no extra problems added. All right? Thank you so much for watching this unboxing here at PincheAls Garage, brought to you by KERMATDI, the diesel specialist. I'm not going to argue about that. It's legit stuff. Peace out, everyone, and guys, have yourself a wonderful day.